Hi everybody, this is Sonia and this is Catcrazy Creations Crochet. I hope that this video is finding everybody doing well today and that you've had a lot of crocheting, knitting, whatever kind of craft you do. I hope you've had a lot of time over the last 2 weeks or so to get some projects done. Today I am going to show you a whip. I am also going to show you two finishes that I have. I'm going to show you some patterns that are future plans that I will be working on in the very, very near future. I have a couple of giveaways that I want to do today. And let me see. And I think that's about it. So let's go ahead and get started. My whip is, I don't have a picture of it right now, but it's a amigurumi pig. I am doing a test pattern for Monica, who is Melon Shop, and that is on Facebook, and I think it's Melon Makes on YouTube, so go check her out. She's doing a lot of patterns now, and I'm doing test patterning for her. But this is going to be a pig. I've got all of the pieces done. I have got the tail is on. I have got, there is 4 legs. I've got the snout, and let me see, all I need to do is get these sewed on, do the eyes, and it will be finished. This is so cute. I love that little tail. And so the snout will go here, eyes up here. Oh yes, I do have to make 2 ears. The ears will go up here and they come forward. Very cute. And then the 4 legs. But I just wanted to show you that's where I'm at with that. Very, very cute. And I am using, did not have a ball band on it because this was given to me in the big box of stuff, of yarn and stuff that I did a video on. But this is cotton yarn. So it's probably like sugar and cream. But yeah. So I just thought that would be, I'm going to make a pink pig. So next time I do a video, this will be done. So that is my whip, and that is using a size F hook and stuffing it with fiber fill. Now for my completed projects, I made this bookmark, and this bookmark is called Ocean Water Bookmark. And this you can find on crochetspot.com. Please go check them out. They have a lot of easy, fun crochet patterns over there. That's why I keep stressing it, because it's true. Very easy to do. I did this in just an evening. There's also a pattern for a goldfish on there as well. Just look under bookmarks and goldfish or fish appliques, and you will come up with it. And I put felt on the back and then felt on the back of the fish. And it's very, very cute. I love it. I made a larger size. I think this is like 13 inches from the fish to the bottom and about 3 inches wide. But I think it was about an 8-inch bookmark. But I do a lot of hardcover book reading, and those books are bigger, so this will take care of that. So anyway, and I used Karen Simply Soft in the mint and baby blue. So very, very fun. I highly recommend Crochet Spot, so please go check them out. Get yourself some free patterns. And the last one that I want to show that I completed is a summer fan crochet dishcloth. And this was from Ravelry. It's a free pattern, but I did not use it as a dishcloth. What I did was I used a bigger needle or a hook. This they wanted you to use an H. I used a J hook. And this is what it looks like. I haven't blocked them up or anything yet. This is the only one I've made so far. I was thinking, as I was looking at it, I thought these would make really pretty placemats. Get some felt and put behind them, sew behind them. And I put a plate on, and they stick out about this far on each side and about that far on the bottom and top. And then after I finished it, I was thinking, you know, this would be a cute table runner. I could make about 5 or 6 of these, put them together, and just put them across the middle of my dining room table in the summer to add some color. So I'm thinking about doing that too. So on my next video, you will either see 4 placemats or you will see one long table runner. But that is my summer fan. I think it's really, really pretty. I tried to find summery colors, and this is using just a variety of things. Like I said, there was no ball bands, but I used this, really pretty for the edge. Then I have a really thin orange that I use, and this is definitely cotton, so that's probably sugar and cream, but I'm using that. And then a peach color, and then a yellow that's real thin, and then a variegated, and this is cotton as well, so probably sugar and cream. So that is what I'm doing, and I know I'll run out of some of these colors, but a lot of the basic colors I have a lot of, so I'll probably just, you know, 2 or 3 of this color scheme and 2 or 3 of another one if I do the table runner. So those are my finishes. Really enjoyed working on them. And here is some of the projects that I will be working on. Crochet Luna. Go check her out. She's a crocheting podcaster. She also has a Ravelry group, Crochet Luna, and she is doing ornament cows through, I think, until November, I think. So I jumped on that bandwagon, and let me see. Here are some of what I'm going to be making. These are little sheep I print in black and white, so, but little sheep. It's called Crochet, Cutest Festive Sheep Ornament. And I got a Christmas robin that I'm going to crochet right here. Really cute. Really cute. I love that. And I got a Christmas stocking that I'm going to do. And then I also have those Christmas trees that I made, and the little wreaths that I made that I'm going to put in for the cowl as well. So that's everything. There are a couple of shout outs that I would like to do. They are podcast people. There is one that I just found, and I absolutely love watching her podcast. She is called The Secret Yarnery. Please go check her out. The Secret Yarnery. I think she's been doing videos for maybe a year. And she does not have really long videos. I think she's had some that's been up to 50 minutes, but they're usually a half hour, 40 minutes or less. But she was born, I think, in Canada. She lived in Canada until her maybe mid-20s or so. And then she moved to Kenya. So she films from Kenya. She lives there with her husband and her 4 children. And she does some amazing, easy projects that are beautiful. A lot of garments. And I notice she does a lot of things with double crochet. And I am definitely going to attempt to make some of the garments that she uses with just like the double crochet stitches. And I think you will find her very, very interesting to watch. I pretty much binge watched her videos over this weekend while I was doing my crafts. So she's very, very good. And at the end of each video, she has about between 7 and 10 minutes of just video of scenery around Kenya where she lives. She takes you on shopping trips with her to market, like the open markets that they have, and also to their actual stores, malls that they have. So it's very interesting to see how their shopping is over there, what their malls look like, just the ways of life over there. So please go check her out and subscribe to her. I don't think you will be disappointed. She is really fun to watch. So it's The Secret Yarnery. I think it's Y-A-R-N-E-R-Y, Yarnery. And the next one that I want to shout out is, let me see, how does it? Handmaids Crochet and Knit. He is really good. His name is Gerald. He was a former monk at one time. He knows a lot of history. He lives in the UK. So kind of maybe toward the end of his videos, he talks a little bit about what goes on there, what he does. He is very into the history. So it's kind of nice to sit back and kind of listen to him talk for maybe 10 minutes or so about, life in the UK, or what's going on in the UK, or, you know, different historical sites in the UK. He does a lot of crochet and knit as well, and he's also on Ravelry, so go check him out. Subscribe to him. He is fun to watch as well. So those are my 2 shout outs for this week. I think that is all I have for this time. I want to thank you all so much for watching, subscribing, commenting, liking, and sharing my videos. It means a lot to me that you are taking the time out of your day to watch my videos. If you ever have a question, please leave it in the comments down below and I will answer them. I also answer all comments. I'm very busy right now, so it takes me probably a good 4 days or so to answer your comments, but I do answer all of them. And oh, I forgot the giveaway. I am so glad that I thought about that. Okay, these I'm going to do 2 giveaways. The rules are: you must be 18 years of age or older. To enter, you must be a subscriber. If you are not a subscriber, please subscribe. To enter the giveaway, do not put giveaway in the comments whatsoever. If you do, I will have to delete your comment, and I don't like doing that. So please just put I would like to crochet, and you can enter for both patterns, but you will only win one time. And I'm doing these for you subscribers, so please don't put giveaway in there, because if someone that is just trolling around looking for giveaways puts in that they want to do this, that takes the chance away from you of winning. So please just put I would like to crochet, and then whichever or both that you would like. Okay, I have crocheted both of these, and I would like to pass them on. The first one is the Lily Sugar and Cream, the Circles Throw. This is the one that's behind me. You can do it any way you want. I did not use the cotton thread. I just used other sorts of yarn, or not thread, yarn, cotton yarn. So there's this one. And the next one, so put down I would like to crochet the Circles Throw. I would like to crochet the Circles Throw. And the last one that I have here is Faye the Flamingo. Both of these I have done, and they're both very easy to do. So if you would like to crochet this, I would like to crochet the Flamingo. So those are my 2 giveaways. Okay, now I can sign off. So anyway, thank you all. I appreciate the support that you're giving my channel. It means a lot to me. And welcome to all of the new subscribers that I'm having. Welcome to my channel. I hope that you continue to enjoy what you're seeing. I hope you will share the videos. And for those of you that are returning, thank you. Your support is more than I know what to say. I'm overwhelmed by your support. So thank you so much. So until next time, everybody have a great day.